In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Steam account from Epic Games quickly and safely. This is useful if you connected the wrong Steam account, you want to switch accounts, or you simply no longer want Epic Games linked to Steam. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it without getting stuck. And I'll also point out the warning you need to watch for before confirming. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, log in to the Epic Games account that you want to manage. Make sure you are signed into the correct account because the unlink action will only affect the account you're currently using. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings where you can manage your connected services and privacy options. On the account settings page, look at the menu on the left side and click Linked Accounts. This section shows every external account currently connected to your Epic Games profile, including platforms like console accounts and Steam. Now scroll through the list and look for Steam. Once you find the Steam section, you should see the Steam icon along with an Unlink button underneath it. Click Unlink to begin the disconnect process. At this point, Epic Games will show warning prompts to make sure you understand what happens next. Read these messages carefully because unlinking may affect account connections, login access, or save progress depending on how your accounts were linked. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm the unlinking when prompted. After you confirm, Epic Games will remove Steam from your linked accounts list. That means your Steam account is no longer connected to Epic Games and the unlinking process is complete. Before you leave, it's always a good idea to double check that the Steam connection is gone from the linked accounts page. If you don't see Steam anymore, then the process worked successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to unlink a Steam account in Epic Games. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.